Okay, today I'm going to talk about, is it your fault how your health shows up? Is it your fault that you can't stop eating? Is it your fault that you can't start eating? And so my name is Dr. Patty Ann Ford, and this YouTube is all about conversations and considerations about your health to enhance your joy and your creativity around food. And I work with individuals that struggle with their relationship with food, their body weight, or eating. And the principles that we use around food are similar to principles in business and health, and relationships and finances. There's principles that we can look at. The difference with food is we experience it in our body. You can't remove yourself from your body. So it's fascinating because you can learn the theory, but then you're actually experiencing moment by moment, day by day. No, it is not your fault that your relationship with your body or food or weight or eating, you're not doing anything wrong. You can't eat wrong. You can't really eat right. You either eat or you don't. Now you can eat according to your health goals, whatever those are, if those are weight management or blood sugar management or hormonal health or, perimenopause, being a woman of my 40s, of prenatal health, maybe you're trying to get pregnant. So you can eat according to what you want the health outcomes to be, and you don't have complete control. As science evolves, we're learning different ways you can biohack the system, biohack the biology. One of the most popular, it's now September 2024, is we have found medication that mimics a peptide or a hormone called GLP-1. And anecdotally, I'm finding in my practice that it really decreases a lot of the food noise for a lot of participants, where they can handle the medication, meaning they're not having intense GI disturbances, they're not having any pancreatic disturbances, they're able to still eat and show up in the day at an appropriate level of dosage. But the chatter of the consistent craving and food noise is lowered, meaning they're not thinking about food. Appetite and cravings is drastically changed. And it's wild to watch, because wild in the most sympathetic, and I'm fascinated and intrigued because this medication that can help someone where behavior management couldn't. DBT and CBT and all of these models are wonderful and they're fantastic. But if you have this consistent hormonal influence to urge you to eat, it's so difficult and loud and noisy, but that's out of your control. You're not doing anything wrong. It's your biology showing up. It would be like blaming the diabetic that their pancreas isn't working. So you're mad at their pancreas, or being mad at someone that has depression, that it's their fault. And so when it comes to weight management, I think there is this assumption that people have more autonomy than they actually do, especially when there's a biological reason why behaviors are so hard to change or manage. And it takes a lot of intention and patience and grace, especially if there has been sexual abuse or if there's been any sort of emotional abuse. It's really confusing, because when you abuse the experience of your body and how you show up as a human, it's really confusing to find safety. And in order to really feel hunger and fullness and satisfaction and pleasure, there is a little bit of safety that's required, and that takes time. So no, it is not your fault if you're struggling with how you show up in your body. It's not your fault at all. You are actually doing the best that you can. And I applaud you for watching this. I applaud you for maybe even stumbling upon this and continuing this 4-minute long video. And I'm proud that you're here. And I hope that you keep asking for help, because that is the bravest thing that you could be doing. And if this helps, follow along and watch for more.